Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got some exciting news from Xiaomi that's sure to intrigue all gadget lovers. So, let's dive right into the latest releases hitting the global markets. First up is the Xiaomi Pad 6S Pro 12.4. This isn't just any tablet. It's a multimedia powerhouse. Imagine this, a massive 12.4-inch display. Not just any display, but one that's 12-bit, 144 Hz, and HDR certified. That means vibrant colors and fluid motion for all your content. Under the hood, it's just as impressive. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, it comes in two configurations, one with 8GB RAM and 256GB storage, and another with a whopping 12GB RAM and 512GB storage. And the battery life? A colossal 10,000 mAh with 120W fast charging. Starting at €700, this tablet is a premium choice for anyone who loves top-tier tech. Moving on to wearables, the Xiaomi Watch 2 is already turning heads. Priced at €200, this sleek watch features an aluminum body, a stunning 1.43-inch AMOLED display, and is water-resistant up to 5 ATM. It's not just about looks. Functionality is key. With GPS, heart rate, and SpO2 monitoring, it's perfect for the health-conscious. Plus, it runs on the Snapdragon W5 Plus Gen 1 chipset and Wear OS. Considering an upgrade? The Xiaomi Watch 2 Pro, with its stainless steel body, is available for just a bit more €220 for Bluetooth and €250 for LTE. But wait, there's more. The Xiaomi Watch S3 is also joining the global lineup. At €150, this watch might look similar to the Watch 2 series, but it stands out with its IoT Hyper OS platform. Let us know in the comments which of these gadgets caught your eye. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. Until next time, stay tech savvy, folks.